Ladies and gentlemen, if we talk about communism and capitalism, in capitalism we have free, economy. What happens? Individual control society. Whatever individual wants, he or she can start business. Here, individual is above society. Individual has freedom, liberty, and he or she can start any business. And what is the role of the government? Government needs to provide the individual, provide facility, opportunity to individual to start any business he or she want to start. But if we talk about the communism, over here society is above individuals. Society decide what to produce and how much to produce, and it controls all means of productions, and whatever should be produced, it will be controlled and manipulated under the authority of government. Government will decide means of productions and control whatever government wants. So here in communism, society is above, community society is above individuals. So this is what the main difference between society and individual. If we talk about the drawback and demerits, there is a demerit on both sides. There is a demerit by individual, communism as well as capitalism. Both can exploit if they are used with ill manners. So what I think that if we use communism idea, we use some idea from capitalism and some idea from communism, that will be very useful. And one thing more, I think this ideology, especially in capitalism, this ideology is also known as liberalism, and nowadays it is also called new liberalism.